Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rock, Future Millionaire, and I'm very excited for this video because I done figured out how the gurus are making $5,000 or more by just promoting other people's products and services. And it's going to shock you what they're doing. They're giving away like free ebooks and also like free courses, but putting affiliate links inside those ebooks and courses. Now, if you stick to the end, I got a bonus for you. This video is not going to be like full of fluff or anything like that. So we're going to get straight into it. Let's go. Now, what the gurus are doing is giving away like free ebooks, something similar to this, the Ultimate Core Challenge, 7 Days to Killer Abs. And what they do is give you like basic value or something that you can use that you can transform your belly into a six pack, right? And then down here, they have like affiliate links to like Amazon products. And also right here, this is off of ClickBank. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I got here. Now, the first thing we want to do is find the most profitable niche so we can make the most money, right? And we all heard that health, wealth, and relationships was the most profitable niches. But I was curious, so I went to the chat with ChatGPT, and if you haven't signed up for it, you can just go to openai.com, and they got a free version that's 3.5, and it's like Google on steroids, right? And I asked the chat, what are the 3 most profitable niches? And it says, as of April 2023, the top 3 profitable niches are technologies and gadgets, health and wellness, and financial services and education. And that was kind of shocking because all the gurus say health, wealth, and relationships. But I'm going to go with the health niche, right? As you see in the ebook, it was about the killer abs. So we're going to pick that niche. And then I asked the chat, what was the most profitable affiliate programs around that are beginner friendly? And they gave me 10 of them, right? You got ShareASale in there. You got a Bluehost. You got a CJ affiliate. But the top 2 was Amazon Associates and also ClickBank. Now, I'm not going to bore you guys on how to sign up for Amazon Associates or ClickBank. It's all self-explanatory. You just go to Google and type in either Amazon Associates or ClickBank and just follow the directions. But how I came up with the concept for the ebook was the summertime is coming and I wanted to work on my abs, right? So I asked ChatGPT to give me a 7-day workout plan for killer abs, and this is what it gave me. So I just transferred all this information over to my ebook that you've seen in Canva. Now, what I wanted to do is find a trending product that I can promote inside of the ebook. Now, what you want to do is just go over to Google Trends and type in ab roller. I actually bought an ab roller off of Amazon. But let's see if it's trending. Ab roller, search. Now, once you press search, you go down here and press past day and put it like the last 30 days. And then you see all these up and down lines and statistics and things like that. It just shows you when it was trending, when it went down, by the dates and stuff like that. But also when you scroll down, it goes by the region, metro, and the city where this product is trending at, if it is trending. But as you see right here, if I go to the top, it said ab wheel, ab trainers, wheels, it's all trending. Ab roller wheel, ab roller workout, best ab roller. All this is trending. So we know we have a trending product that people are searching for on Google. And another way you can search if it's trending or not, you just go to Google and type in ab roller. And as you see, it comes up with ab roller exercise, ab roller workout, right here, all this stuff right here, even ab roller Amazon. This is how you know you got a trending product. Now, when you go over to Amazon, you just paste in the same keywords, ab roller wheel, and you press enter, and you see right here, these are all the ab roller wheels that are trending. And this is actually the one I bought right here. Let's click on that. And right here, that's the ab roller wheel. And right here at the top, where it says get link, you copy that link, copy short link, and right here, ab roller. You just copy and paste and put it into the link right here. And also, you see all the information I got from ChatGPT is all right here. And it's a cool thing about it. You can also put other affiliate links like the one from ClickBank. And watch when I press this. Now look, it goes straight to the ClickBank funnel or
Belly fat from her butt, hips, arms, and face, going from this to this. Her waist so tiny that even the clothes from her 20s were too loose and fell off her hips as she slipped into sexy skin-tight dresses. relieving her back and hip pain and skyrocketing her energy and confidence. Her family and friends in awe of her toned, cellulite-free body.
And Live Pure, that's a product off of ClickBank that reduces body fat. So it goes along with the ebook. Every time somebody presses one of these links, you get a commission and also you get paid. Now, if you need more help with this, I do have a free course. The link is down in the description if you want to know step by step how to get your funnels and also your web page together with your email autoresponder.